If you've ever poured your creativity into a CapCut project and want to be absolutely sure you'll never lose your hard work, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through saving your project in CapCut for PC. By the end of this video, you'll confidently know how to export your work, download the finished video safely to your computer, and tweak the settings to make sure it fits exactly what you need. So let's jump right in. First, start by opening up your CapCut project. Just double-click on the project file if you saved it, or open CapCut and select it from the recent projects list. This gets you right back into the editing workspace where you left off. I always like to take a quick moment and play a few seconds of the timeline, just to make sure everything is in place and ready for exporting. It's a tiny step, but it can prevent any surprises later. Now, once you're happy with your project and ready to save it as a finished video, look up at the top right corner of the CapCut window and find the Export button. Clicking Export is what begins the saving process. Think of it as telling CapCut, I'm ready to wrap this up and take it out into the world. When you click it, CapCut will bring up the Export panel, which is your gateway to turning all your edits into a shareable video file. Next, you'll see the Download button or option. Go ahead and click Download. This lets CapCut know you want to save the completed video to your computer, rather than just share it online or save it to the cloud. If you've ever used something like Photoshop or other editing software, it's similar to saving a copy of your work. You want the actual file ready to watch, upload, or email. Before you hit Export again, take a look at the settings. Here's where CapCut really gives you some control. You'll notice options like resolution, frame rate, bitrate. These settings matter. For example, if you're only sharing a quick video on social media, maybe a lower resolution is fine. But if you want crisp, professional-looking results, bump that resolution up to 1080p or higher. If you're not sure what settings to use, don't worry. CapCut usually recommends solid defaults, and you can always change them based on whether you want a small file size or top-quality video. I suggest peeking at the file location too, so you know where it will be saved on your computer. Nothing's worse than finishing an export and having no idea where the file went. Once you've reviewed and tweaked the settings to your liking, find the final Export button, usually at the bottom of the window, and click it. This part might take a few moments, especially for longer or higher resolution projects, so feel free to grab a drink or stretch while CapCut does its thing. The progress bar will let you know how far along the rendering process is. When export is done, CapCut automatically saves the finished video directly to your chosen spot on your computer. I always recommend opening the file straight away, just to double-check that it looks and sounds like you expect. Think of it as unboxing a new gadget. First impressions matter. And that's it. You've successfully saved your CapCut project as a video file on your PC. Now you can share it, upload it, or keep it safe for your next creative adventure. If this helped you, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or if you ran into issues along the way, just drop a comment below. I read every one and love helping out. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials just like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy editing!